Hi, this is Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am going to share with you guys our laundry strategy in this new trailer. We don't have the deep storage that we had on either side of the bed for lights and darks, so instead I bought this sweater holder that you just throw your clothes in and take the clothes out to wash. And then I'm going to show you guys how our new wash machine works. We actually bought a smaller one. The other one was a little bit heavy for me to move around, and dimensionally it was a little cumbersome. So we bought a smaller one, and I will show you the different things that we have done to set it up, along with all of the things that we've learned from the old trailer. So this is our new wash machine, and it has a couple of different features that the old one didn't have, as well as some setting up that we did. First off, it's like a heavier material. It feels, the other one that we had was a little bit more than this one. It was a little heavier, and the other one still to this day is the #1 bestseller on Amazon, and we bought this one on Amazon. But what it has that the other one didn't have is some keepers, if I can get it undone, for the power cord. So the other power cord had to just hang out on the floor, or it would just get draped over. And this one actually has the keepers on the back, which is nice. And it barely plugs in. So the cord is longer than our old cord. The old cord did not work no matter any way you would try to make it. It was at least 2 or 3 feet shorter. So we like that about it. It has, for whatever reason, some sort of a metal surface in the spinner that's textured. The other one was all plastic, so I'm not sure the benefit of the metal, but it certainly looks to be better made. The filter in this one is built in. You don't have to take the filter out. That, I don't know whether that's a good or a bad thing yet, because we haven't used it enough times to know. And then we do use on the feet these moving men, so I will put these down before I start today's laundry, and that will keep the bottom, because it does agitate and it does move around. We actually scratched the bottom of our old shower before we got the idea of getting some moving men to protect it. So that's the scoop on the new laundry solution. And I'm not sure if anybody asks the brand of this one, what it is, but I will post the brand and the size in my video. Thanks for watching. Hey, I'm back. I forgot to show you what to me is probably the most important feature of it. It has handles on each side, and being that I have a very bad back, we wanted the lighter weight for me to be able to move it around, but also when it came, I noticed it had these handles on each side, which is a lifesaver for me. So all in all, a much better unit.